Why are you watching the woman and she bent over watching underneath the woman's skirt?
Oh,
You
where?
over there.
That's why no boy, no woman can't make me not put my woman first. And every time when you're sick, somebody over you. It's a boy one done and
Livy.
with a flat stomach. So guys, guess what? It's Christmas Eve
Yes.
and we're at the airport. It's been what, 4 years we not spent a Christmas together?
Yeah, 4 years.
Okay, but this is the first year we are at the airport together, but Livy, I take a different flight. I take a different flight, you see me? But it's all love, right, babes?
No, it's not all love because I'm gonna be missing you and I'm gonna be sad and depressed and lonely and lonely. So it's not all love right about now.
She glad say she not go dep on no flight with me, okay? She glad say me and I not dep on the same flight. She glad. You see she a laugh? Look on the joy in her face. Look, people. Yes, guys, but it's a good look. Me and my baby on Christmas Eve.
My first Christmas in Jamaica. My first ever.
At Jamaica, you go?
I'm gonna have a great, beautiful Christmas. Guys, I got some good news right before this. So, I feel so much better. It's just crazy how the human body to work. Just like 2 to 3 days ago, I was severely stressed under depression. Why are you watching the woman and she bent over watching underneath the woman's skirt?
Oh,
You
where?
over there.
Really? Me I watch the people them on YouTube here, on the camera. Don't do that to me. Tell them what you tell them.
Look how my stressful.
No, me I watch her for real now. You see? Guys, before we get into the video, okay? If you're watching this video from anywhere in the world and you want to send some top up to Jamaica or to any Digicel, to any floor, use my promo code ONEDONE25 and get 50% off using Ding, okay? Download the app, use Ding, it's very easy to use, and you send mobile top up, aka credit, to anybody at Jamaica or wherever they use Digicel and floor.
And you
in
get
the
50%
Caribbean.
off.
$1.25, you get 50% off, okay? Ding. A Ding has sponsored this video.
Yep.
Okay? Ding.
Yes.
You understand? So use the promo code ONEDONE25. Use it now. Okay. Back to Livy.
So yeah, guys, I was severely stressed. My face had break out so bad. My cortisol level was high. I just knew it. And now I got the good news. I decompressed. The bumps are going down. It's just crazy how your body works.
It's so
And
crazy.
how stress kills for real.
Yes,
and could cause so much
stress can cause sickness.
autoimmune diseases, sickness, cause your hair to fall out.
So people, I'll tell you, if you watch that video, I know see all type of people watch it on social media. And every time when you're sick, somebody over you. Okay? And that's how the human body works. Sometimes we go there, are good, and then we get sick and then we pass. A life. Okay? And then nobody over you, I promise you. You understand? They no grudge you for the big house. And the car where you just buy. I know say it's a 2001 car, but you feel good you accomplish it, you know nothing, but no bad mind you feel. People have their own life. Their own life to worry about. A big house, no man, they have for them to make too, man.
Yes.
Nobody no bad mind you for the house, man. Remember say we have food to and rain. We no bad mind people. I want me learning in life, for me timing and phone timing different. For your timing and for me timing different. One thing with me, I celebrate with my people them when them accomplish something. from my heart.
Yeah.
And we not hype with what we have, but God's been good to us. God been good to us.
Great.
No matter how sometimes we down, God been good. So just learn to love and remain humble and do the right
Yeah.
thing. Nobody not fight you, nobody not worry about you, nobody not talk about you. People are talk about how they will pay them bills next month, not you. Okay.
For real.
But my baby is here and she'll go up on a flight shortly. Your flight is what, 11:50?
Yeah.
And mine is 12
12 something. I don't
12
know.
something. I know it's a fair flight aboard before mine, so we just link up at the airport. It's a good look for having the queen right next to me. You have anything you want to tell anybody?
I have something to say, especially since the new year coming up. I just want to tell anybody that's watching me that nothing is impossible. Please do not let fear stop you from achieving what you want to achieve, okay? Fear is the biggest distractor. Just do it. If you have something that you want to accomplish and you always want to do it, but you feel like you can't do it, you're fearful, you feel like you're inadequate, do it. You won't believe the capabilities you have, okay? Nothing is impossible. The only person that holding you back
Is yourself.
is yourself. I use me as a testament. I'll talk about it later. I'm a testament of that, okay? So for this new year, any goal you always wanted to do, just start. The only thing you have to do is start. That's the hardest thing. Once you start, everything will just start to flow, right?
And work hard.
Work
And not so
hard.
alone, nigga. Live your give the icing, but let me give you the deep. Work hard in whatever you do and give it your 100. Fully focus 100. You understand? And just remember, say, in everything what you do, put God first. Okay?
Yeah, don't let nothing stop you. Don't let your age stop you. Don't let your financial situation stop you. Don't let anything stop you. My motto always is there's always a way. There's always a way. Even like for instance, right? There's always a way and you always have something to give. Let's say for instance, I feel like for birthdays, right? Even if you have $0 for a loved one, I don't care if you have zero, you always have something to give, especially if that person treats you right. Don't you believe so?
Always.
Even if you have just a kind of a sardine and rice and
And
it's
just
somebody's
mix
birthday,
it up,
you
cook
just
it
mix
up. And just, it's a tart
you
and
always
the,
have something.
let me tell you something. My birthday was the 1st of December, guys. 1st of this month. And one thing about Livy, we can't say this brawling. She give perfect birthday gifts, even if it's simple. That's why no boy, no woman can make me not put my woman first. If you understand that. My birthday, them live no matter what. Live listen to what I want and live do the right thing. You understand? And you're right. Even one can of sandwich, one tin of cheese. Just a thought. You can't so broke, you can't give your friend or your loved one. Spend one little in Jamaica, one little $2,000. America, one little 25, $30.
Even if it's a nice happy birthday text or a nice message, a little text, a little message, you always have something to give. There's no excuse. Freaking unfair, like what I was talking about earlier. So it took me a whole year and a half to start the thing that I wanted to do because I was so fearful that I couldn't do it, okay? If I had started from the time I was supposed to start, I would have been finished. I'd have been done. But because I let fear consume me, it took me a whole year to start. And now that I start, I am doing so well. I'm accomplishing the stuff that I thought I could have never accomplished. That's why I'm telling you, just go for what you want to go for. Babe, did you ever think you'd have owned such a big, beautiful house a couple years ago? You were supposed to say no.
Alright, what may I say though, it's a dream come true, right? Cause look at now. You remember when we stay at Richmond Estate?
Yeah.
And we give them a Airbnb tour. Look at now we're wandering and living here in China. Like me and I say, whoa, who is this I feel with?
Yeah.
And then see that we have a bigger house, 2-story. Me don't feel say in a life, baby, you see from your work hard, because you know what we go through to get that house.
Yes.
You know it's stress. Before we have the house, back in the days when we used to go Jamaica, we have to book Airbnb.
Yeah.
You know, I feel right now we now have to book Airbnb and we now have to rent a car.
No, that too. You have a car.
That's
That.
one thing with me, guys. I'm telling you, any young youth who watch this, even if you're old and you have a piece of food, I'm telling you, do the right thing. You understand?
Please, do something with that money.
A lot of people want to live their best life and live the modest life. But here, the end of the day, fam, you see a house. That's where it's a house and piece of land. And a vehicle in Jamaica. Now if you have a high-piece vehicle. You understand? But I try to show you.
And it don't have to be the biggest house.
You can do it.
Just a
Anybody
house
watch
that's
that video,
yours.
yeah.
Nobody could take from you.
You're right. You don't have to be biggest house or
No.
and the baddest car and what may I try to show you guys. Anybody who watch that video here who can do it. You know most people right now they are Jamaica who are watch this now just spend how much money per Airbnb, per hotel, who are catch a family member house, who are catch a them parents house. And we know we in our house where God are the greatest. We thank God every day. And when me get what me want, me still I thank God. Some people only pray to the Most High when we need the Most High. You see me? We pray when we get stuff, when we want stuff, when blessing does pour upon us. We pray, right, babe? Yeah. God are the greatest. You understand? Christmas Eve, I'm at the airport with my beautiful fiance. You see me? My family at Jamaica. Lovely family, my parents them. God are the greatest, you see me? But guys, what time you have by your date?
8:50. 8:50.
Yeah, 50?
Yeah, that's early, right? I leave 11:50.
8:50, I'll be how much hours?
3 hours. 8:50 to 9:50. 3 hours.
Now we have 2 hours. Right?
I'll leave at 9.
9? Just to make sure, just so we see.
No, just the TSA, that's it. There ain't nothing else. I'm hungry, but I can't wait.
Safe flight, then. Love you.
Love you too.
Safe flight. Let me know when you're landing. Here?